All right, welcome future teachers. The moment you've been waiting for is finally here. The official announcement for the next Central Teacher Eligibility Test has dropped, and we're going to break down every single thing you need to know right now. Let's just dive right in.
Yes, I'm talking to you. If your dream is to teach classes 1 through 8 here in India, well, this is it. This is your official starting signal. The journey to that next huge milestone in your career, it has officially begun.
And here it is, the headline we've all been refreshing our pages for. It's real. The Central Board of Secondary Education has put out the public notice for the next Ctet exam. So all that speculation, it's over. Let's get into the hard facts.
And let's be crystal clear. This is not a rumor, it's not a leak. This is the real deal, straight from the CBSE. So, let's take a look at what they've actually announced. You know, for anyone who might be new to this whole process, the CTET is that big national exam you have to pass to be eligible to teach classes 1 through 8. It's a non-negotiable step, and this announcement, it's your next shot at it.
Okay, let's get to the good stuff, the numbers you've been waiting for. These are the absolute core details from the notice that you're going to want to write down.
First off, get this. This will be the 21st edition of the CTET. I mean, think about that for a second. You're about to become part of a long legacy of educators who've all cleared this same national benchmark. Pretty cool, right?
And here it is, the date for your calendar, your phone, everywhere. February 8th, 2026. The notice even confirms it's a Sunday, which is great, making it a bit easier for everyone to make it. This is your target date.
Now, the scale of this thing is just huge. The exam is going to be held in 132 cities all across the country. That just goes to show you how serious the CBSE is about making this accessible to pretty much everyone, everywhere.
And speaking of accessibility, check this out. You can take the test in 20 different languages. That means you get to choose the language you are most comfortable and confident in, which makes for a much fairer assessment for everybody.
So, just to recap the big points. The February 8th exam will cover both Paper I, that's for classes 1 to 5, and Paper 2 for classes 6 to 8. And remember, the CBSE is your one and only official source for all of this.
Okay, so knowing the date is a huge first step. But where do you find all the other official details? This next part is absolutely crucial if you want to avoid misinformation.
So this public notice, it's really just the kickoff. The key document you really need to be on the lookout for is the information bulletin. That thing is going to have every single detail, from the syllabus to the fees, and they're saying it'll be out very soon.
And this right here, this is the only website you need to care about. Go ahead and bookmark it now, ctet.nic.in. Every single official document, the bulletin, the application form, all of it is going to be posted here and only here.
And you know what? I really want to drive this point home by using the exact words from the official notice. They are telling you, straight up, use the official website only. They're doing this to protect you from scams and bad info. And please, read that bulletin carefully before you do anything else.
So what's inside this super important bulletin? Well, pretty much everything you could possibly need to know. The full syllabus, the final lists of languages and cities, the exact eligibility criteria you have to meet, the exam fee, and a whole schedule of important dates. It's your complete roadmap from here to exam day.
Look, information is great, but it's useless without action. So what should you be doing right now, today? Let's walk through your game plan for the next few weeks.
Let's break it down into 4 really simple steps. First, start checking that official website, ctet.nic.in, regularly. Second, the second that information bulletin drops, download it. Third, actually read it. Don't just skim it, read every single word to make sure you're eligible and you get the rules. And fourth, apply online, again, only through that one official website.
And I have to say this one more time because it is so important and there are absolutely no exceptions. You must apply online. There are no paper forms, no other ways to do it. Everything, and I mean everything, happens through the official ctet.nic.in portal.
So after all of that, what's the one thing you absolutely need to take away from this? It's this. The 21st Ctet is officially confirmed. The date is locked in for February 8th, 2026. Your prep journey now has a finish line. And really, that just leaves us with one final question. This isn't just an announcement. It's a call to action. The date is set,
The roadmap is coming soon. So the only thing left to ask is, are you ready? Your journey starts now.